First, you want to start with your bill flat. It don't matter the dollar, it can be a used dollar, but fold the borders in on top and bottom. Once you have the borders folded in, you want to fold it in half. Make a valley fold with the face down. Inside, I'm sorry. Valley fold with the face inside. Do another valley fold again, this time making sure that the one on the dollar bill is facing outwards. Now fold the border in on one of the sides that you choose of the dollar so that the one stands by itself, and fold again so the one is actually alone, just like so. Now, depending on the size of the finger, this is where you want to do this diagonal valley fold. But once you do this diagonal valley fold, you want to wrap the dollar in a complete loop, stopping with the one on top of the diagonal fold, just like so. Now open it. And fold the dollar in on one side so that it overlaps your fold that you made with the one. Now tuck the border of the edge of the one right up under there. See, tuck it right up under there. Now the piece that's remaining, you're going to fold that inside the ring. It's going to do almost like a wraparound. Fold it inside, like so. Once you have that folded inside, you want to tuck this part into the top of the dollar. If you're good and skilled, you don't have to do a diagonal fold. I do a diagonal fold so it's easy to tuck inside on top of the one. Up underneath the one, right up in there. If you're good, you don't have to do the diagonal fold. I do the diagonal fold so it's pointy and it's easier to tuck inside. But once you have that folded and tucked inside, your ring is all finished. Voila. And you can do this with ones, fives, tens, 20s, 100s, whatever you feel like giving away. $1 is the most easiest to give, so